Right, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the HLOOKUP function in Excel. And so here we're given a data set of the revenues and costs in different quarters, and we want to figure out the revenues and the costs in Q1. Right, so press equals, type in HLOOKUP, and choose our lookup value, which is Q1 here, $sign it, and we select our table array, which is the entire data set here. So highlight the entire data set, $sign that too, and choose our row index, which in this case is in which row from the data set is the revenues located. And so if we look at our data set, we have row 1 here, we have row 2, and we have row 3. And we know that revenues are in row 2, right? So type in 2, and our range lookup would be false or exact match. So click that and press enter. And if we want to find out the costs, we could also do that by dragging this formula. But as you can see, it gives us the same value of 500, in which we know that it's not 500, it's 200, and that's because the row in which the function is looking at is still the same, right? So revenues are in row 2, costs in row 3. So we want the function to evaluate in row 3. So change that to 3, and we get that costs are $200, right? And so we can change this, for example, to Q2. It would change. We can change it to Q3, and the revenues and costs would also change. And so it's interactive. Let me just write down the formula for you guys here, if you want to copy it. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.